If you've been caring for Anthurium for a while, you may have noticed something strange. The plant looks healthy, the leaves stay green, but the flowers don't bloom the way you expect. Most people think the solution is more fertilizer or stronger products, but that's often where Anthurium plants slowly start to struggle. In this video, I want to share a simple and natural method you can make at home. This method helps strengthen the roots, keep the leaves glossy, and improve overall balance. When the roots are healthy, Anthurium can bloom more naturally and consistently. Stay with me, and I'll show you how to prepare it, when to use it, and what results you can expect. The first ingredient I use is eggshell, something very common and easy to prepare. I choose 2 eggshells that have been cleaned and completely dried before use. Next, I crush the eggshells into small pieces to make them easier to mix with other ingredients. Eggshell provides natural minerals that help strengthen the roots and support steady Anthurium growth over time. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm so happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing that we can connect, share, and grow together from all around the world. After crushing, I place the prepared eggshells into a clean glass jar. The second ingredient I use is aloe vera. I prepare 1 fresh aloe leaf, rinse the outside. Then use scissors to cut it into small pieces, directly into the glass jar containing the eggshells. This keeps the process simple and allows everything to mix from the start. After that, I pour in about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water. Then stir well so the ingredients combine evenly. Finally, I close the lid tightly and let the mixture steep for about 1 hour. This resting time allows the ingredients to blend together, so minerals from the eggshells and nutrients from the aloe vera can gradually release into the water, creating a gentle and balanced solution for the plant. After steeping the eggshell and aloe vera solution long enough, I stir it once more before straining. This helps redistribute any settled nutrients and keeps the solution more balanced. Next, I strain the mixture to remove all residue. This step keeps the solution clean and prevents it from becoming too strong for the plant's roots. Once the solution is filtered, I add about 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water and stir well to soften the mixture and bring it to a balanced strength. At this point, the solution is ready to use. When applied properly, it supports healthier roots, steady growth, and works well for indoor Anthurium plants. For the first step, I use a clean cotton pad and soak it evenly with the prepared eggshell and aloe vera solution. I keep it just moist, not overly wet, to avoid excess liquid staying on the leaves. I wipe each Anthurium leaf, starting with the top surface, then gently moving to the underside. I go slowly and evenly to avoid damaging the natural leaf surface. Wiping the leaves with this solution helps remove dust and residue, keeping the leaf surface clear. Clean leaves can breathe better and absorb light more efficiently, supporting healthy growth. In this solution, eggshell provides natural minerals that support steady plant development, especially root health. Strong roots help the plant maintain healthy, long-lasting leaves. Aloe vera makes the solution gentler, helps retain natural moisture, and prevents the leaves from drying out after wiping. This is especially suitable for indoor Anthurium plants where humidity can fluctuate. I don't wipe the leaves too often. When done periodically and correctly, Anthurium leaves become cleaner, greener, and naturally glossier, creating a strong foundation for future blooming. Moving on to the second step, I pour the eggshell and aloe vera solution into a spray bottle. At this stage, the goal is no longer cleaning individual leaves, but supporting the entire Anthurium plant evenly. I spray the solution as a fine mist, covering the leaves, leaf, stems, and the upper part of the stem above the growing medium. I avoid soaking the plant, applying just enough for a light, even coat. Misting allows the plant to absorb the solution naturally, similar to ambient humidity, rather than feeling force-fed or stressed. When sprayed evenly, the eggshell solution provides gentle mineral support, helping leaf and stem structure develop steadily without forcing rapid growth. Meanwhile, aloe vera helps maintain natural moisture on the plant's surface. This is especially important for indoor Anthurium, where air can be dry due to air conditioning or temperature changes. When sprayed properly and evenly, the plant stays more balanced, experiences less stress, and maintains softer leaves and more consistent color over time. I see this spraying step as a way to maintain the plant's natural rhythm, helping Anthurium adapt better to its environment. With periodic and proper use, the plant responds very positively. In this step, I use the eggshell and aloe vera solution to feed the plant from the base, where long-term health begins. I water gently around the base, allowing the solution to slowly reach the roots. I don't pour it all at once. Letting the solution soak in slowly gives the roots time to absorb it, prevents water stress, and avoids shocking the plant. As the solution reaches the roots, eggshell provides gentle mineral support, while aloe vera creates a soothing, moisture-balanced environment. This helps roots grow stronger and more evenly over time. I see this watering step as a way to maintain the plant's foundation. With stable roots, the plant has fewer issues, deader leaf color, and is more prepared for blooming. In the final step, I use a clean, soft cloth to gently wipe away any remaining water on the Anthurium leaves. I lightly blot the surface without rubbing to avoid damaging the leaf. Drying the leaves helps prevent water from sitting on the surface, especially along leaf veins and edges. Standing water can lead to fungal issues, leaf spots, or mild rot, particularly in humid or indoor conditions. When the leaves are dry and open, the plant can breathe better, and the leaf surface stabilizes quickly after spraying and watering. This helps maintain healthy leaves, rich color, and natural gloss. I always see this drying step as the final finishing touch. Done properly, it helps Anthuriums stay healthier, experience fewer issues, and be ready for the next care cycle. With natural ingredients like eggshell and aloe vera, you can care for your Anthurium at home in a simple and safe way. Care for your plant gently and patiently, and Anthurium will show clear improvement over time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Flower Care Garden so you don't miss future videos. And let me know, which country are you watching from? Leave a comment below. See you in the next video.